Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial you will learn how to fix controller or gamepad not working in NBA 2K27 game. So without wasting time, here are the steps mentioned in this video very carefully. Fix 1 is to enable disable Steam input. So open Steam, go to library, right click on NBA 2K27 game. This is just an example, and then click on properties. Go to the controller tab and from the drop down here first select enable Steam input and then restart the game and then check if the controller or gamepad is working or not. If not, then again go to the NBA 2K27 game properties, go to controller tab and this time select disable Steam input and then again restart the game and then check if the controller or gamepad is working or not. Fix 2. Press the Alt plus Enter keys. Try pressing the Alt plus Enter keys on your keyboard. This simple trick can sometimes help to fix the problem. Now check if the controller or gamepad is working in NBA 2K27 game or not. Fix 3 is to disable third-party game controllers and unplug additional peripherals. So if you have installed any third-party game controllers on your PC, then disable them or uninstall them, and also unplug the additional peripherals such as USB devices, pen drive, phone, camera, or additional controllers, display, mouse, keyboard, which might conflict with the game. So remove such peripherals and then check if it fixes the problem or not. Fix 4 is to use a wired controller. Maybe game have some bugs or glitches at present and your wireless controller is not working. So if you have wired controller, then connect it and then play the game as of now. So by following these fixes, I hope you can easily fix controller or gamepad not working in NBA 2K27. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.